Let me tell you the biggest lie you were ever told. Work hard in school, get into a good university, get a degree, and you'll be set for life. That's what they told you. That's what your parents believe. That's what the system was built on. But here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. That world doesn't exist anymore. A degree today does not guarantee you a high-paying job. It guarantees you debt. And while you're sitting in a lecture hall paying thousands of dollars for that piece of paper, a 16-year-old kid is making $500,000 a month from his phone. I'm not here to tell you to drop out. I'm here to show you what's actually working right now. 7 side hustles. Real numbers. Real people. Let's go. Side hustle number 1. Faceless short-form content. Meet Daniel Bitton. He started posting on social media at 13, just for fun. Now at 16, he's making $500,000 every single month. No face. No expensive camera. Just his phone and a strategy. Here's why this works right now. Snapchat, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, they are all in a war for your attention. And the weapon they're using? Money. These platforms are paying creators more than ever before because they need content to survive. This is literally a once-in-a-lifetime window. Daniel's secret? He doesn't just repost other people's videos. He takes existing content, adds his own voiceover, music, and edits, and makes it feel brand new. The only skill you actually need? Understanding human psychology. What makes someone stop scrolling? What keeps them watching till the end? Master that, and the algorithm will do the rest. To make $1,000 a month from this, you only need to be 0.2% as good as Daniel. Think about that. Side hustle number 2. Investing. I know what you're thinking. Investing isn't a side hustle. You're right. It's better than a side hustle. Because once you set it up, it makes money while you sleep. Here's the strategy that actually works. Dollar cost averaging. Simple idea. You invest a fixed amount every single month, whether the market is up or down. Over time, your average by price balances out. And the secret weapon? Index funds. If you invest just $200 a month for 40 years at a 10% annual return, you end up with over $1.2 million. But 10% return, is that even realistic? Over the last 10 years, the S&P 500 averaged 11% annually. The smartest move? Pair investing with a side hustle. Fast money from your hustle. Long-term wealth from investing. Both at the same time. Side hustle number 3. Discord building. Most people have never even heard of this one. Meet Chris Peters. He's 19 years old and making $15,000 a month, building and managing Discord servers. Discord started as a platform for gamers. Now it's used by businesses, brands, coaches, creators, everyone. And here's the gap in the market. Most business owners have no idea how to use it. It's confusing to them. But for someone your age who grew up online, you could learn the basics in a couple of hours. Chris's first move? He offered to help someone for free. Did such a good job that he became indispensable. Now he charges real money. The business model is simple. For clients, $250 each per month. That's $1,000. Find better clients? Charge more. Scale from there. The lesson here, lead with value. Money follows. Side hustle number 4. Online coaching. Jack Jefferson had a $70,000 a year job in London. Stable, respectable, secure. He quit it because his online fitness coaching side hustle was already making him $7,000 a month and growing. But here's what I want you to understand. This is not just about fitness. Online coaching works for any skill people are willing to pay to learn. Business, languages, music, marketing, productivity, public speaking, you name it. People are lazy. They could read a book and learn it themselves, but they won't. They will pay you to give them the shortcut. The key difference in 2025, don't just sell a course. Offer personalization. People are done with generic content. They want someone in their corner. Laptop, internet connection, a skill you already have. That's all you need. Side hustle number 5, AI animation. This one is special because we are living in a moment that only comes once in a generation. AI is the biggest technological shift since the internet. And yet, most businesses have barely touched it. There are 5 stages of technology adoption. Early innovators, early adopters, early majority, late majority, and laggards. Right now, we are at the very beginning of the early majority. That means the opportunity is massive, and the competition is still low. Meet Mercy. He uses ChatGPT to script ideas and Midjourney to create visuals. And he's making $8,000 to $10,000 a month creating AI animations for content creators. Why do creators pay for this? Because they want their content to look premium. They want to stand out. And AI animation delivers that fast. Here's the real play. Get so good right now that by the time the late majority catches up, you're already miles ahead. The window is open, but it won't stay open forever. Side hustle number 6. Reselling luxury items. Ben Gallagher started reselling luxury bags as a side hustle. In 2023, his business generated £7.2 million. He even appeared on Dragon's Den, the UK version of Shark Tank, and received investment from Stephen Bartlett. The luxury resale market hit $39 billion in 2023, and it's growing every single year. Why? Because people want designer labels. Social media makes it a lifestyle, and buyers would rather own pre-owned luxury than cheap fast fashion. You don't need to start at the top. Start small. Learn the market. Scale up. The internet means your marketplace is the entire world. That's an advantage no generation before you ever had. Side hustle number 7. Building a personal brand. This is the one that unlocks everything else. Every single person on this list, Daniel, Chris, Jack, Mercy, Ben, they all have one thing in common. They built a brand around what they do. Your personal brand is your reputation on the internet. And in 2025, your reputation on the internet is worth more than your degree on paper. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to be an influencer. You just need to consistently show up and deliver value in your niche. Start with one platform. Post consistently. Document your journey. Share what you're learning. The people winning right now are not the most talented. They are the most visible and consistent. Your brand is your business card. Your content is your resume. Start building it today. Here's the bottom line. The old playbook is broken. A degree alone will not make you wealthy. The system was not designed to make you rich. It was designed to make you employable. But you have something no generation before you ever had. The internet, AI tools, global platforms paying creators, a world where a 16-year-old can make more than a doctor. You don't need to pick all 7 of these. Pick one. Start today. Stay consistent. The only difference between you and Daniel, Chris, Jack, Mercy, and Ben is that they started. If this video opened your eyes, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And subscribe to Global Decode, because we're not here to give you recycled advice. We decode the world, one truth at a time.